We are packing. It's I think 7 a.m. So we are going to Vadodara today.
He dates many women and cheats and makes them believe कि वो शादी करेंगे. And you are just wasting their time when you always knew that you are not going to be invested. So what should be the punishment for such people, yeah, who are traumatizing people, right? They're traumatizing women. I'm sure women also must have done.
We are packing. It's I think 7 a.m. We are running a bit late.
No, it's 7:30. We are running quite late.
It's 7:30 and Yadi is saying we are quite late. Can you come in this week?
Yeah.
So, and by the way, we are going to Vadodara today, and we're just quickly packing stuff. I want to put conditioner, which I can do while talking to you. I just found out because of my Instagram that a friend of mine is in Vadodara, and we're probably going to meet him.
Okay, Diksha, but can I just say, all of Diksha's stuff is still out and fully open. I'm not sure what package she's talking about.
But I wanted to tell you that we are very late, and I have to do a lot of shooting today apparently. And Miss Pinto has been nice. Just since morning, she has woken me at 5:30 a.m. But all good. All good. Excited for the day.
On to day 2. Diksha is still struggling with a camera. Are we going to start?
I can't hear you, obviously. I am extremely hungry.
Yeah, man, same. We didn't eat anything since morning. It's going to be 10. We woke up at 6. We had sugarless tea. So we practically have no energy in our body right now.
Yes, from Kota to Vadodara, we have come across one of the nicest routes for sure.
Yeah,
There was a point जहाँ पे we were surrounded by windmills.
yeah, for a good distance.
I think ये एक subject है बहुत relevant है आज के date में. In today's day, मतलब तुझे शायद पता है. I mean, I'm seeing it. I'll give you an example. There is a CEO of a very big company I know, and and I have met him a couple of times. और बहुत बार things have come up about him कि यार he dates many women and cheats and makes them believe कि वो शादी करेंगे.
अच्छा,
Yeah, makes them believe कि वो शादी करेंगे. But मुझे यार ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं समझ आता है. So maybe you've also read about it a lot, and I also have, but you remember it, remember things more. So मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि and ज्यादा मैंने men के साथ ही देखा है than women कि एकदम ही बंदे को fall in love करवा देना, promises make कर देना, and making sure कि they suffer really if they get to know the truth, right? Because obviously you made someone fall in love. You could have been honest, you are not. You really, it needs different kind of bone to be like this kind of a human being, I would say. तुम्हें क्यों लगता है यार? Why do people do it? And I've seen multiple such incidents happen to people, and I'm confused. Why do people do that? Do they have the time? Especially men.
मुझे लगता है कि एक तो ये है कि sometimes there are actually some men who meet some women who don't seem to be okay with the idea of just engaging casually. And so if those men at that time, or women or vice versa, right, want those men and women in that moment also, they possibly try to show that they are in it for more so that they can get what they want at that time. That's one thing. But the ones that I can't get are the ones who meet women or men who meet women or women who meet men who are very okay with just say engaging casually only and only keeping it casual and never taking it forward or whatever maybe they themselves don't want, right? And that conversation is always open, or so to speak, the space is always there, and those men still somehow do it. So Mostly men, I would say, still somehow like take it to that level and then
कि एकदम मतलब एकदम लगने लगे कि वो रिलेशनशिप है.
रिलेशनशिप है या वो भी उनसे प्यार में है या उनको चाहे सीधा सीधा ना भी बोलें तो इंसिनुएट करते रहें. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज वेरी ग्रे. आई डू फील दैट उसमें भी काफ़ी कैटेगरीज हैं. इट सीम्स दैट देयर डेफिनेटली आर सम पीपल who, even if they don't really want something in the long run, even for shorter pleasures, it seems, need at least a bigger facade of engagement from the other side, right? Like, or they need to feel as if they are adored or loved or whatever to even engage for short periods, right?
Yeah.
And so they, I think, operate from that place. It's an extremely selfish place. Such an individual is just not thinking about the other person, and that's very, very harsh. It makes you, it definitely needs a lot of course correction. Kyunki pata nahi how these people, how much guilt can they really live with. So, yeah, who knows? We don't know. They
But
need
ये मतलब
self-hate
ये तो
also.
मुझे ऑलमोस्ट क्रिमिनल बेंड ऑफ माइंड.
अरे बहुत ज्यादा. I agree.
मुझे लगता है कि
I
यार तुम ट्रॉमा दे रहे हो ना. एक्चुअली तो तुम रिलेशनशिप में तुम ट्रॉमा दे रहे हो ना. And a person can be sensitive, a person can not be also, but actually women
A person
usually
may
are.
really be looking for someone
Yeah,
and investing their time, and you're just wasting their time when you always knew that you're not going to be invested.
and it's not about waste. हाँ, waste of time तो है ही भाई. सबसे ज्यादा दुनिया में time is precious. किसी के लिए भी. But मुझे seriously लगता है कि ये criminal bend of mind की जरूरत है.
Time and opportunity. What if that other individual has a better chance of engagement with someone else?
Yeah.
But you'll take that away from them because you will make them feel that what they need is here. Excuse me. Even if it isn't.
तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? वो actually I have been thinking about it. Okay, what is the यार ये तो wake up call होना चाहिए. Okay, so I'll give you an example. I think कि कभी कोई किसी को बोलता है ना कि यार especially educated men अगर if they have that kind of a mindset कि वो मैं थोड़ा सा टच कर दूं तो मेरे को pleasure आ जाएगा. In you know how what used to happen with us as kids from illiterate people कि
Not
थोड़ा सा
illiterate,
पिच
even
करके चले जाएंगे. हाँ, even literate people, right? तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे कभी if it comes from an adult woman or in a circle, social circle, अगर किसी ने किसी man के बारे में ये बोला and prove हो गया कि यार है you know this guy has done this with multiple women कि यार टच करके चला गया, कुछ molest कर दिया, you know, तो you have to take a very strong action कि नानी याद आ जाए. ठीक है कि फिर से ना करे. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है यार कि एकदम इंसल्ट कर दिया पब्लिकली, बॉस को बता दिया अगर वो वुमन बॉस है तो आई डोंट नो, राइट, कि एकदम उसे वो एक्चुअली अपने शेल में चले जाए सोचने के लिए कि यार ये तो बहुत बड़ा मिस्टेक है. तो व्हाट शुड बी द punishment for such people यार who are traumatizing people, right? They're traumatizing women. I'm sure women also must have done this to some men. What should be the you know, what should it be that if you were someone who you know was hurt like that, what would you think yeah, this is, you know, this will be great wake up call for this one. One, they should be treated as mentally ill.
Maybe fix yourself.
मुझे नहीं लगता anything in this world gives you the right to ruin someone else's life who's completely new in your life.
Why do you want to be in a relationship?
Why do I want a relationship is